Hi, today I want to show you that how you want to pair the Netcom wireless power line adapter. And if you see, if you plug both of them back to back like this, if you don't see the house light, the light with the house symbol, and this one, if they don't see each other, that means they're not pair or they're not talk each other. So to do that, you have to press the button on the side here. You have to press 12 seconds until this light turn off and turn on again. That means you already reset this one. You have to count. Now I press it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then release it, and then you see this one flashing. Or you can keep holding it until this one flashing. That means it wipes out the memory. So now you have to press this one 2 seconds and release, and press this one 2 seconds and release. If you press this one 2 seconds, that means this one sends signal, and then this one also receive it. Now I press 2 seconds, and then this, you will see this light here in the first one will be flashing. Now I press it 1, 2 seconds and release it, and then see flashing. And now I press it 2 seconds, 1, 2 seconds, and you will see this light now turn on, which is this both one being talk each other. But you have to wait until this one turn off, and then to turn on again until it stay there for a while. That means this one talk each other. Now how to use is you plug the first one direct to the power point. Don't plug this one to the power board, and if you do like this one to the power, and this one you plug into the power board, that means very bad, because signal have to travel from the modem through the Ethernet cable, and they go in here, and then the signal have to travel through the power line adapter, and they go through the power board. And the power board, they have a overload and delay button, which is electronic in there, and before it go to the power point, and that is reduced signal before it go to second power line adapter to your computer. So what you do is you have to plug this one direct to the power point, and the line from the computer here go to here, and the second one you plug to the different room, and this cable go to the computer. But this one do not plug into the power board. Do not plug into power board here, because they have electronic here. Only direct to the power point, or you have extension lead. Plug the extension into here, extension lead, and plug this one to the extension lead, and then you plug this one to the power line adapter, or plug this one to the lead, extension lead only, because the extension lead there are no electronic and delay button. Thank you for watching.